Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. What is our topic?
Awakening.
So, awakening. Awakening is the story of whose story?
Alka.
Young girl.
Yes. The story of a young girl. Who is the author of the story?
Shashi Deshpande.
Shashi Deshpande.
Deshpande. Shashi Deshpande.
Deshpande, she was a feminist. She is a feminist. Okay. So what about all her writings?
Middle class girls.
So middle
Yes.
class
Explores
women or girls,
marital relations.
the problems of middle class
Middle-
girls or women.
Yes, sir.
So what did we learn in the last session? What happened in the story?
Alka's feeling.
Alka's feelings.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Alka was a girl who wants to continue her further studies, but because of her family's financial conditions, she has to do a job. Okay. So where did she live?
A apartment. Oh, good one.
Where did she live?
In a chawl.
In a chal. Chal means there is a building in slum area. In building, number of persons are there. Her family lives in one room. Okay. So what are the experience of Alka in her grandfather's home? Nandini, Lavanya, anyone? What were her experience? What were Alka's experiences at her grandfather's, maternal grandfather's home at Pune? Anyone? Is the condition same?
Sir. No, sir.
No,
She
no,
felt
sir.
her grandfather's house as heaven.
Okay, she feels like grandfather's house was a heaven when compared to present staying at a chal. Next, what were especially Alka's dreams? That is important. Alka's dreams.
She continue her studies.
No, sir. She want to go to college. She want to attend the lecturers to take down the notes, and she want to pass the distinction in abroad. She want to go for further studies in abroad, and after coming up a job, uh, she wants to be put it their her hair and wear glasses and a crispy ironed saris like a girl, which she has been seen bus stop in every day. If she
Like
want to marry a man, yes, sir.
yes, so these are her dreams, but she wants to
Yes, sir.
continue her studies. Okay, let us go into further what happened next. Okay, next. So first we begin with other mother's dialogue. The trouble is, mother said scornfully, you don't know what you want. You only know what you don't want. Who said this? Alka's mother. Then Alka said.
Yes, sir.
Next, Alka said to us, it's not true. I don't know what I want. I want to go to college. So these are Alka's dreams. So Alka is now,
Yes,
what is the
sir.
waiting for 10th class results. I want to go to college, attend lectures and take down notes and read, pass exams with distinctions, go abroad for further studies, come back and take up a job, put up my hair and wear glasses and crisp iron sarees like the girl I see at the bus stop every day. She wants to be like the girl. Marry. What kind of man? The face is a blur. And never quarrel with only a curtain between us and the children. And live in a house with a room of my own. A house that smells nice and have my own class, not wear things out of general pool. Out of general pool means here, not wear things out of general pool. For example, if you go to Koti, what happened? Most of us do shopping in Koti or Rabbits. Koti, okay? We search from general pool, okay? Like that. I don't want to, what is the clothes like that, okay? So these are the dreams of Alka. So next, let us see what happened. All dreams, Alka told to us. All dreams, but more real than reality itself. These are all dreams because my condition is like that. Now they were not even dream. Only bubbles. You know bubbles, water bubbles. Only bubbles like the ones
Yes,
children blow out of soapy water, rainbow colored, ethereally beautiful when they go up in the air. Then in a moment, nothing. What happened? Water bubbles. We like water bubbles, different colors, rainbow colors. Okay. Have you ever played with water bubbles?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Alka. Also, Alka here compare her dreams with the like water bubbles. My dreams are like water bubbles. Okay, they are seems to be good, but within second, what happened? They blow. Okay, then in a moment, nothing. So my dreams also like that. Alka compared her dreams with water bubbles. Okay? I looked back, not with regret, but with shame. I had been childish, okay, dreaming of impossible things. Again, talking herself, okay. So I had been a childish, okay, dreaming of impossible things. What are her dreams? Go to college, okay, read, pass exams and distinctions, and go abroad for further studies, take up a job, marry a person with a one house, okay, like that. These are all impossible things when compared to our present condition. Feels like, okay, dreaming of impossible things. I have got to more realistic. I should be more realistic. Keep my feet on the ground. Okay, keep my feet on the ground. No, on the cracked cement floor of the dirty chal. So no ground is there again. Okay, cracked cement floor of the dirty chal. So now she is living in a chal, one room in a chal. It is not a, what is ground, it is floor, dirty cement floor, where I belong and where I am trapped forever and ever. She is thinking about like that. Okay, I'm in a trap. I never get out from this condition because my family's financial conditions are like that. I never achieve my dreams. Those are all like water bubbles. Okay, you are compared our dreams with water bubbles because these are all impossible things. Because our what is family financial condition is like that. These are impossible things. So I will be a typist now. So here, she come to the present. Okay, be realistic. Don't imagine. Don't dreams because those are impossible things. So coming to reality, I will be a typist now. I will never be like the girl at the bus stop. Okay, she wants to be like the girl at the bus stop, but that was a dream. Come to reality, I will be a typist now. I will never be like the girl at the bus stop. Okay, any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now she is talking about reality. Okay. In case, how could I have been like her? She questioned herself. Okay, her financial conditions are different. My conditions is different. How could be like that girl? I, with my dark complexion, my long nose, my flat figure, compared her physical features here. Okay, my dark complexion. Her complexion is dark. My long nose, my flat figure, flat. She's flat. That means very thin. Okay. How could I be like that girl? I often looked at myself in the mirror, in stealth, of course, willing to myself to look like the girl at the bus stop. So I often looked at myself in the mirror. In stealth means in secretly. So I looked myself in the mirror. So how many of you spend? How much time do you spend at mirror?
1
Must
hour,
time.
sir.
No, don't
1 to
spend
2
time.
hours.
Every moment, especially by writing for college or any function. Okay, like we spend most of the time. You spend
Yes, sir.
1 hour for get reading. You spend about half an hour before the mirror. Am I right? Okay, like that.
Yes, sir.
I often looked at myself in the mirror, in stealth, of course, in secretly, of course, she said, feeling myself to look like the girl at the bus stop. Now she is comparing her physical features with the girl at the bus stop. Okay, she wants to be like that girl, but the face that took back, sullen and dark. Sullen means bad tempered and dark. Was Alka's and no one else. So this face is Alka's, no one else. I have to accept I am black. Okay, it's a bad tempered face. It is my face. I have to accept the reality. She feels like that. Okay, this face is mine, no one else. Alka with better brains than all family put together. So this is also important. You can underline. Alka with better brains than all the family put together. Alka, who has become a typist. So here, I'm better coming to my talent, knowledge. Okay, I'm better to my family members with better brains than all family put together. That same Alka was becoming a typist. Okay, that is she is pitying herself. A most talented girl, but I have to go to a typist job. So imagine these situations. I'm the most talented girl in my family, but the same talented girl has to go to a typist, become a typist. Okay, keep pitying herself. Okay, next dialogue. I can't force you, Alka. I know that, but jobs like these are hard to get. It's Patka's goodwill that has given us this chance. He knows how hard pressed I am, especially since Shirish fell ill. I wish I could send you to college, but okay, this is a dialogue of our father's dialogue. Okay, our father said, I can't force you, Alka. I can't force you to take up the typist job. I know that, but jobs like these are hard to get. Nowadays, what is the problem? So getting this job is also very hard, very tough. It is Patka's goodwill and that has given us this chance because of Patkar. Patkar is his father's friend. Her father's friend. Because of his goodwill, so he have get this typist job. He knows how hard pressed I am. He knows all my problems. He knows everything about me. How I am pressing hard during these difficult times. Especially since Shirish fell ill. Who is Shirish? Who is Shirish?
Her
Brother.
brother, Alka's brother.
Okay. After Alka's brother fell ill, the family become financially miserable. Okay. So Patkar knows everything. That why he offered this job. I wish I could send you to school, but okay, he wanted to send Alka to college after finishing 10th class, but that is impossible in the present conditions, financial conditions. So this is the wish of her father. Her father wants, I wish I could send you to the college. నేను కాలేజ్ పంపించాలనే ఉంది, but so families financial conditions are very difficult, so you have to take up the job typist. That is father's dialogue. Okay, I could feel the pit yawning in front of me. Just a week or more for my results, then like, so pit means what is that, going. So అందరూ పడాల్సిందే, no hopes. Okay, no hopes for my future. I have to take up the job. Options are there. So Alka is feeling now just a week more for my results. She is waiting for 10th class results. So no hope for me. I have to take up the job. So my dreams, all my dreams are impossible. Okay, any doubt here?
No, sir.
Next. And then the world has started with a shocking impact. Then suddenly one instant happened. And the world has started with a shocking impact. Breaking not into but into dust. So into nothingness. That door opened. Two men, Baba's colleagues, tried awkwardly with shocked faces, and then pandemonium and hysteria. What happened at that moment? Okay, she is waiting for results. No hopes for her future because no, she has to take up a job of typist. At that time, some incident happened. That is, the door opened. Two men of Baba's colleagues walked awkwardly with shocked faces. So their colleagues వచ్చారు. Baba means here, who is Baba? Alka's father.
Daddy.
Daddy one. Okay. Two colleagues entered her home with shocked faces. Then pandemonium and hysteria. So what happened? Then lot of disturbance. Okay, happened. Many people gathered, hysteria. Okay. So what happened next? So many people gathered. Next, they are talking about how old was he? Only 45. Too young to die. Too young to die. What happened to her father? It was the
Father died.
it was the first heart attack, no the second. So
45.
these are the dialogues of the people who gathered at her house. Okay, these are dialogues. How old was he? Some person said, how old was he? Only 45. Too young to die. Okay, so it was the first heart attack. Someone said no, the second. The other person said, it seems he had one before and never told anyone. The other person said, it is not the first heart attack, it is the second heart attack, but he told to no one. Like, poor man to go so fast. So poor is a poor family, a poor man to go so fast. తొందరగా వెళ్ళిపోయాడు and చనిపోయాడని. The people are talking like that. What about the family? Isn't there anything for their so little 3 girls to get married and the boy, how sad. So these are the dialogue. What is they are talking, the people are talking at that time. How irresponsible to have a large family in such a circumstances. Baba, what happened to my Baba? Ush, Shobha, don't cry like that, or you will start mother all over again. So like these are the dialogues of family. Shobha means, who is Shobha?
Her
Alka's
younger sister.
Alka.
Alka's younger sister.
Younger sister is crying on seeing Baba's dead body. So someone said, "Ush, Shobha, don't cry like that, or you will start mother all over again." So again, mother again start crying like, Shirish, let me do that for you. Thank God, Alka's taking up a job. Imagine he was thinking of sending her to college. Like it is a dialogue by some other person. Thank God, it is Alka is going to take up a job. The neighbors are talking like this. Okay, So far, who is her father is the only breadwinner of the family. Okay. Her father is the only breadwinner of the family. So everyone knows that. But before he died, said, thank God, Alka is taking up a job, at least some support to the family. Now our father is not there, but Alka is going to take up a job. She can maintain the family like that. Imagine he was thinking of sending her to college. Some person said, okay, you want to send Alka to college. Some person said. So these are the dialogues, talking of the people who gathered at the Alka's house. Okay. Okay. Next. These are the Alka's feelings. A failure. I thought a failure. I mean, say who is Alka. Okay.
Alka.
A failure. I thought a failure. He couldn't even struggle with death. She's talking about her father. He means here Alka's father. He couldn't struggle with death. Death కూడా fight లేకుండా ఓడిపోయాడు my father. Okay. As you know, how Alka's feelings about her father. Is a foolish, as we have seen, is a foolish, blind person, uncaring, unthinking person. Okay. Alka's feelings about her father. Now again, some feelings about her father. A failure. He couldn't even struggle with the death. Death కూడా fight చేయలేకుండా ఓడిపోయాడు. That is a failure, my father. Okay, just went out meekly. He lived and died a failure. So his life is completely a failure. Okay, that is what left Emil like that. What left? Nothing. Only duties incomplete, responsibilities badly shouldered, and empty tears. Mananemo like that. Nothing. He left nothing. Only duties and responsibilities. Duties incomplete. He didn't finish his duties. So what are his duties? To get married with 3 daughters and to settle his brother, his son. Okay. So he didn't fulfill his duties even. He's a complete failure. My father is completely failure. He left only duties incomplete, responsibilities badly shouldered, and empty tears. My father will empty tears. There was no pity on me for him. This is also important. Okay. In that situation, how do we feel if our father is died? How do we feel? But here, what is the response of Alka? There was no pity in me on for him. And that is the feeling of Alka. Okay? Only contempt. God, let me not live like that. Having achieved nothing, having been nothing. So now he is praying to God. Okay? He is a complete failure. He achieved nothing and having been nothing. He is completely failure. Like that. So I don't want to live like that. Like my father, he is a failure person. Not even knowing that your life was nothing. No one could not once could I say my Baba said this. So he said nothing and that was trivial, did nothing and had any meaning. I searched and searched the whole life of his life for a meaning and didn't find it. Okay. మా నాన్న నాతో నీకు చెప్పాడు అనుకోవడానికి ఒక్కడు ఓడు కూడా లేదు, నాతో నేను చెప్పలేదు. సో ఈజ్ కంప్లీట్లీ ఫెయిల్యూర్. So it is a meaningless life. My father's life is a meaningless life. I searched and searched whole of his life for meaning and didn't find it. Didn't find meaning. It's a meaningless life. My father's is a meaningless life. I don't want to live like that life. Whose feelings are these?
Alka's feelings.
Alka's feelings.
Towards his father.
When all the noise died down, I realized that had happened. My last way of escape has been closed up. Okay? Escape means to doing the job. At least before her father's death, she has some hope to go to college. Do you understand?
Yes,
Before her
sir.
father's death, she has
Yes,
some hope to continue her studies, but the gate is closed because her father was died. Because her father was died, heart attack. But she has to take up the job. No chance to maintain the family. He has to take up the job. No possibilities for taking up or continue further studies. Like, I would never get out of the trap now. I had to shoulder his burdens. So I had to bear burdens of my father. So what is the burdens of his father? To maintain the family. But in place of my father, I had to bear the burdens of my father. I would go on doing it till I died. Alka's feelings. I would go on doing. Doing means doing the type of job. In such a job, okay. I have to bear the burdens of my family. Actually, these are burdens of his father, her father, but he was dead. So she has to take up the job and she has to maintain the family. A huge anger filled me. She feel very angry. He wronged me by dying. Okay. So చనిపోయిన తప్పు చేశారు మా నాన్న. She's feeling like that. Okay. Because of his death, I had to take up the responsibilities of my family. Okay. He continued to wrong me even after his death. Okay. This is also important. He continued to wrong me even after his death. బతుకున్నప్పుడు నాకేం చేయలేదు. Okay. He didn't caring for me. He didn't have feeling on my hopes and dreams. చనిపోయి బతుకున్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయలేదు, చనిపోయినా కూడా ఏం చేయలేదు. లైక్ చనిపోయినా కూడా స్టార్ట్ వాట్ ఇస్ కంటిన్యూ wrong me even after his death. There was no help for me. Okay. There are no fairy godmothers and rich uncles in real life. She feels like that. No fairy godmothers, rich uncles in real life. Not even the God. No help for me. Even a God would not help me. Like Alka feels like that. It makes me laugh when people like of a God. Okay. When people talk of a God, దేవుని గురించి జనాలందరూ మాట్లాడుకుంటారు about God. వాళ్ళని చూసి నాకు నవ్వు వస్తుంది. God. She's feeling like that. Where is God? So I'm struggling. No help from anyone, even the God. So జనాలు దేవుని గురించి మాట్లాడితే నవ్వు వస్తుంది. Like that she feels. How childish. A being made figure up. There was who looks after all of us. All nonsense. There is no God. Only us. Okay, this is our feelings about the God. There is no God. Only we have to take care of us. Next, it was a month later that I came upon the battered briefcase I had seen him carry to work every day of his life. Okay, next, that scene is ended. After she joined in a job, typist job. After 1 month happened, what happened? It was a month later that I came upon the battered briefcase I had seen him carry to work every day of his life. Every day, one father job ke velletappudu briefcase తీసుకెళ్తుంటారు. Okay. Now she opened that. I had often wondered. I had often wondered, what is there in it, Baba, for you? You go to work, come back, eat, sleep, wake up, and go to work again every single day. This is the routine of her father. Go to work and come back, eat, sleep, wake up, and go to work again. This is the routine of her father every single day.
Yes.
Now I had to hide a briefcase from my mother. So after 1 month of his father's death, she saw the briefcase. Now, what is there in the briefcase? Let us see. Now I had to hide the briefcase from my mother. So my mother నుంచి దాన్ని hide చేసింది. Even now, that sullen woman would break down into the most shaming, heartbreaking hysteria. Briefcase చూసి what happened? ఎవరు గుర్తొస్తారు వాళ్ళు? ఎవరికైనా సరే వాళ్ళ మదర్ ఆ బ్రీఫ్ కేస్ చూస్తే వాళ్ళ హస్బెండ్ గుర్తొస్తారు ఆమెకు. మళ్ళీ ఏడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంది. దట్స్ వై ఐ హైడ్ దిస్ బికాస్ ఎవ్రీడే డ్యూటీకి వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు ఈ క్యారీస్ దట్ బ్రీఫ్ కేస్ ఎవ్రీడే. అది చూడగానే ఎవరు వాళ్ళ హస్బెండ్ గుర్తొస్తాడు, మా నాన్న గుర్తొస్తాడు, అమ్మ మళ్ళీ ఏడవడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంది. దట్స్ వై ఐ hide it. I had never seen her smile at him, never heard her speak a soft word to him. సో మా నాన్న బతుకున్నప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు వాళ్ళు స్మైల్ మంచిగా మాట్లాడుకోలేదు. లైక్ ఐ స్మైల్ ఎట్ హిమ్, నెవర్ హార్డ్ ఆర్ స్పీక్ ఎ సాఫ్ట్ వర్డ్ టు హిమ్. ఇద్దరు సాఫ్ట్ గా మాట్లాడుకొని ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదు బతుకున్నప్పుడు. ఓకే, ఇద్దరు స్మైల్ చేసుకొని ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదు, నవ్వుకుంటూ ఉంటారు మా మదర్ అండ్ ఫాదర్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఎట్ ఐ కుడ్ హియర్ హర్ moaning into her pillow even so every night. I couldn't understand. ఓకే, బతుకున్నప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు హ్యాపీగా నవ్వుకుంటూ లేరు, ఎప్పుడు తిట్టుకునే వాళ్ళు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ మా నాన్న చనిపోయినాక ఏం చేస్తుంది వాళ్ళ మదర్, ఈజ్ మార్నింగ్ మీన్స్ యూఆర్ క్రైయింగ్ హర్ పిల్లో ఎవ్రీ నైట్ పిల్లోలో మొహం పెట్టుకొని ఏం చేస్తుంది, షీఈ్ ఏడుస్తుంది వాళ్ళ మదర్. ఐ కుడెంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్, నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు. అప్పుడు హ్యాపీగా లేదు మదర్, ఎప్పుడు నవ్వుకుంటూ కనిపించలేదు. వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు కూడా మదర్ చనిపోయినా కూడా ఏడుస్తుంది. ఐ కాంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్. Alka feels like that. Okay, stealthily means secretly. I took the briefcase into corner and opened it. So Alka opened the briefcase secretly. Is the lunch box? What are there in the briefcase? No doubt. Is the lunch box all cleaned up? Lunch box cleaned up. Okay, after lunch, what happened? You clean the lunch box. Okay, what do you do in college? You don't clean, you just cover up. Okay, your mother will clean up after coming to your home. But Alka's father is not like that. His lunchbox all cleaned up. So what are other things? Newspaper neatly folded, his glasses, spectacles, the aspirin he carried around for his frequent headaches. Okay, what are there in his briefcase? Lunchbox, newspaper, his glasses, aspirins, maybe tablets for headache, and a book to read on the train. So his daily go by train to his workplace. Train. So a food on it. That is a food on it means a story. Okay. Investigative story. All so pitiful and small that for the first time a wave of pity broke over me. First time a wave of pity broke over me. అవన్నీ చూడగానే ఏమైంది, అల్కా ఫస్ట్ టైం ఏడు స్టార్ట్ చేసింది. బాధ అనిపించింది అల్కాకు. ఈవెన్ వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ చనిపోయినప్పుడు కూడా అంత బాధ అనిపించలేదు. ఫస్ట్ టైం అల్కా ఫీల్స్ పిటీ ఫర్ హర్ ఫాదర్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో ఇంపార్టెంట్. బట్ ద ఇండిఫరెంట్ పిటీ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రేంజర్ ఫర్ another stranger. She is feel like that. So she is feeling her father as a stranger. Okay. So here observe, all cleaned up, newspaper neatly folded. It means it shows his what is the daily routines. He is very punctual and very neat. Okay. Like next, and then I saw 2 letters. Along with these 2 letters are there. He must have written them that morning, on the morning of his death. So these letters are not posted. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
right.
sir.
Along with these 2 letters are there, but not there may be written on the day of his death. Okay, not posted. One to his elder brother. Really curious, I opened it. My own name leaped up. So one letter to his elder brother, our father's elder brothers means what is the cousin to Alka? Alka's. Alka all Pradrana. Okay. Really curious, I opened it. Okay. Alka's father wrote the letter to his brother, but it was not posted. It may be written on the day of his death, on the morning of death. So he didn't posted it. Okay, I opened it. So my name leaped out. అందులో లెటర్ ఏం కనిపించింది, my name leaped up. Alka's name కనిపించింది. So what is there? So her father wrote to her his brother in the letter. Alka will be starting a new job next month. Her father wrote to his brother. అతను చెప్తున్నాడు ఏమని, Alka will be starting a job next month. Next month జాబ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తుంది. I still feel guilty about that. But what can I do? I feel very guilty. I want to go to studies, college, but I can't. What can I do? And then I have this confidence at her, even though I have full confidence on Alka, that she will make something of herself in spite of all. In spite of all difficulties, she can achieve something. Okay, she had some guts, some spunk in her, some guts is there. If only one of my children achieve something in life, my own will have been worthwhile. Bahu means here Baya. Anna, well, Anna Jiptana. Okay, Alka, only Alka can achieve something. She is my alter ego. She is like me. Is sending. Bahu means Baya. Have you ever read David Copperfield? It's a novel. David Copperfield. She is reading that novel. Okay. God knows how or why I began reading that novel. I found it secondhand on the pavement way, but now it has become my Bible. There is one line in it. In our children, my dear Copperfield, we live again. How the truth that is Bahu, like it wrote to her, his brother. Okay. In this letter is the full confidence on Alka. Okay. So is one dialogue. In our children, my dear Copperfield, believe again. Manam malli children lo pudtam. Okay. Like children chuskochu. Atla evaru నాకు ఇంతమంది 4 children are there, but నా hopes, నా dreams ఎవరిలాగా ఉన్నాయి, ఎవరి అల్కాలో ఉన్నాయి. Like that, I can see myself in Alka. That is okay. That is the dialogue in the novel. So it is applied to him also. Okay, Alka, what are you crying for? Alka, stop it, please. Don't. If mother says you, Alka, don't be ready. So after reading this novel, what happened? Sorry, reading this letter, Alka is crying. So Alka's letter is awakening to her. So what was this think earlier before her father, and what is now? Completely changed. Okay, after reading
Different.
letter. But the way was not years of childhood. They were the first years of adulthood. Bitter, salt, and painful. The first time Alka is crying. Not a childhood crying, it is adulthood crying. Okay, like that. So Alka's feelings are completely changed after reading the letter. Okay, what is that? So Alka's father has good feelings on Alka. He believes he has full confidence on Alka, but Alka didn't know about this. He wants to send her to college, but because of some problems, because of financial conditions, he cannot send her. And also he said, Alka can achieve anything. She has guts, full confidence on Alka. But Alka didn't know all these things. That's why she hated her father. She is also awakening. That's why she is crying the first time. Okay. అప్పటి వరకు వాళ్ళ నాన్న చనిపోయినప్పుడు కూడా ఏడవలేదు. Now she is crying. This is also awakening to Alka. This paragraph is important. You can read it again. Okay. Any doubt? Last.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt? We can see in the next session. Okay. Read the story again. Especially this paragraph. Alka's
Yes, sir.
father's feelings about Alka. But Alka didn't know